What's up? So today with my BMW 135i, we're going to be cleaning the headlights with Cerakote headlight restoration kit. And we're just going to make it go from this yellow to clear. So let's get to it. Alright, first we're just going to clean it off with a rag. Some water. I just have a bucket here. Get all the dirt off of it. Make sure it's clean. Yeah. And then we have step 1, oxidation remover. And just go clean it off, clean all the yellowness off of it, making it less cloudy, getting all the cracks. And then we're going to use all 4 of these for one side and then 4 for the other side, because it comes with 8. Now look at that. Look at that yellow. Alright, on to the second step. This is the pink pad or purple pad, whatever. This is the 2000 grit, and we're just gonna go in circles and put water on the top. Now we're on to the green pad. This is a 3000 grit. See how it looks so far? Cloudy, because we're sanding, but 3000 grit now. The last step, ceramic clear coating, and then there's just one of these for this after the 3000 grit, and then hopefully it looks good. Alright, I don't know if you can see, but that compared to that, she. Oh dang, this looks so much better than it did before. I don't think you can really tell with the light on it, but it's very dark in the garage. Damn. Maybe you could tell. I'll tell in the editing, but like right there, bam. Oh, it looks so much better. But sick, so we're done. Here's the other side. Damn. And then for something a little extra, play frame. And bam.